Welcome to episode 3. We're using Apothecary as we paint our way through the DIY paint line alphabetically. First step is always cleaning, and my go-to is crud cutter. I don't have to rinse it, I just get it good and squeaky clean. It's good to get off any grime and especially old furniture polish, which can repel your paint. I'm using a Klingon S30. I like to keep it in a little mug of water in between coats, and that helps my paint flow and gives me less brush strokes. Apothecary is one of the classic DIY clay paints. You'll find those in the black label, and those need to be sealed when you are done painting. It's the next day, and I'm grabbing a Prima transfer called Pastel Artistry, and I'm going to put this on the bench. It is a gorgeous new transfer. I'm going to be using one of the two sheets, and I'm trying to decide which one will look better and which one I'll use on a different project. This is a perfect beginner project for a transfer. I'm taking the whole backer and putting it flat on the piece, and it really couldn't get any easier. I'll just burnish it on with my tool, and away we go. Transfers can be really easy. I've had 5-year-olds do them on ornaments in my shop, so you can do this. And people think my stuff is hand painted when they walk in all the time. Of course, I tell them. But when you're doing this, see how I'm pulling up toward me while I'm pushing down with the transfer tool? That is the key. That way you don't get bubbles and you don't get wrinkles in your transfer. I also change angles all the time. If something isn't wanting to adhere, I will come at it from a different angle, and that usually works. A quick distress with a 220 sand block, and we are ready to seal. Today I'm using Sweet Pickens in matte. It is a great polyacrylic. I use it all the time. You can get all these products on my website, rusticrehabs.com. And here's our beauty after. Make sure you subscribe or follow me for more to keep up with my next episode. Next week, I'll show you Aviary. It is a fan favorite at my shop. Take care and see you soon.